Hi, this is Lady C. Welcome to Creative Studio 101. In the upcoming tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to use Gmail's snooze feature. Now, think about this. You receive an email on a Monday, and it's like you're really, really busy. This email, you're not going to have to do anything with it until Friday. And so you're thinking to yourself, I don't want to lose this email. I don't want to put it in an important stack. I don't want to put it in a starred situation or creating as a favorite or anything like that. But I would like to receive this email in my inbox at a specific time on a specific day. Well, in the upcoming tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Gmail's snooze feature so that your email, when it comes into your inbox, can be redirected on a specific day and time that you choose. So let's go on over to the computer and let's hop to it. Okay, so notice I am in my Gmail account and I'm going to show you how to snooze one of these emails. The only thing I'm going to do is go to the second email in my inbox from Metastock News. I'm going to right click on the email and a pop-up menu will appear and I'm going to choose snooze from the menu. Notice how you can either snooze tomorrow, next week, or next weekend. The system also shows the last date you chose to snooze an email message. You can choose that date and time, or you can pick another date and time that is not listed in this menu. And I'm going to choose pick date and time. What I'd like to do is look at this email on Friday, June 4th, and also note it has a time of 8 a.m. I just want to let you know that you can change this time by just modifying the text on the screen. So if I want to do 1 p.m. instead of 8 a.m., I can just simply swap out the 8 with a 1 and the A with a P. And now look at 1 p.m. Once I'm done, choose save. And so now it removes the email from your inbox and it redelivers it for the specific date and time that you chose. But if you want to look at this email prior to that day and time, all you have to do is go to the snoozed folder, which is located on the left-hand sidebar. As you can see where I'm at here on the screen, I can simply click on snoozed, and then you'll notice that there is an email from Metastock. I got quite a few of them in here, but the one that I'm looking at would be the one for June 4th, the one I just put in there. If I want to just click on that email, and then notice how it shows June 4th, 1 p.m. If I want to go ahead and just take care of the email, I can go ahead and do it right now. Or I can also choose unsnooze, and it will just redeliver it back to my inbox. So now I'm going to go back to the inbox. And then I just find the email and deal with it. Now let's say you want to do multiple emails. You want to snooze more than one. All you have to do is just go back to the inbox and click on all of the emails that you would like to snooze at the same time. Once you select all the emails, then just scan your eye to the top of the screen and we're going to go to the snooze icon. And all you got to do is just look on the screen. I'm pointing to the snooze icon. Simply click on it. That menu appears again. I can go back through the same steps I went through. And I can also choose the last day and time that I snoozed my last email. And that's the one I'm going to choose here. Once again, all I have to do is go to the snoozed folder to take a look at all of the emails that I have snoozed for some future day and time. So it's just as simple as that. You choose the email you want to snooze. It goes into the snooze folder. And so you can retrieve it at any time. And it's just as simple as that. You can also do the same thing on your mobile device. All you have to do is open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Navigate to the email that you want to snooze and open it. Tap on the 3 dots, which indicate more menu options at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap snooze. And you will see the same menu items that you had when you were working with the snooze button on the desktop. Simply choose your date and time and proceed accordingly. Thank you so much for being in my audience. Now, I hope you enjoyed these video tips. And if you did, make sure you hit that like button. And I'll see you on the next video.